back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is going to be entering loan application data into the system, among other things. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up like button. That will give me that direct feedback. And if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Foundation Finance. Now, they only have 22 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 22 reviews, though, they have a very high rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a credit processor. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States only. Now, this is going to be like a customer service position. This is going to require phone work. You're going to maintain relationships with dealers through processing their credit applications, answering any questions for them, and providing strong customer support. So the duties of the job are entering new loan applications received by phone, fax, and email into the system and preparing those applications for the underwriter to review. You're going to be pulling property reports and other supporting documentation as needed, and you'll assist with any administrative task that is needed. So this will require you to answer customer service phone calls. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position is they are only hiring in certain states. The states are listed right here. I also have them listed down in the YouTube description box below this video, but they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 months of related experience or training. So not a whole lot of experience is needed, and only a high school degree, no college. They do want somebody who has the ability to read and interpret documents, somebody who can apply common sense understanding and carry out detailed written or oral instructions, someone who can be a problem solver, and of course you need to know how to navigate a computer, specifically those Microsoft Office systems that include Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, all of those things. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $17.50 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.